Lawn renovation is a process which is carried out on lawns that are severely damaged and require an intense treatment to restore them to their former glory. Generally, a lawn that is in need of renovation will be suffering from a combination of problems that cannot be solved with a single treatment. Greensleeves Lawn Renovation is specifically designed to provide such lawns with the care and rejuvenation they require. The renovation treatment is a step process, and the duration of the treatment is dependent on many factors such as the size and condition of the lawn. A certain amount of preparation is required in advance of a lawn renovation. If a lawn is suffering from weeds, the first point of action will be to apply a weed treatment via a backpack spray to tackle this problem. Following this, the lawn will be mown. The cut of the mower is kept short, removing the top half of the grass blades. Depending upon the condition of the lawn, this may not be necessary, as is the case with this particular lawn. Once the grass has been cut back, the next stage in the process is to aggressively scarify the lawn. A specialist industrial scarifying machine is used to remove the buildup of thatch that has accumulated within the lawn. The lawn will be scarified first in one direction and then in the opposite direction to ensure maximum removal of the thatch. Once the scarification is complete, the debris generated as a result of this process is raked into piles and cleared from the lawn. Now that the lawn is clear, a second process called hollow tine aeration will be carried out. This involves removing plugs from the lawn at uniform intervals using a specialist hollow tining machine. The removal of the plugs of soil allows remaining soil within the lawn to spread out, alleviating compaction and assisting with circulation of air and nutrients within the soil system and the grassroot zone. As you will see, this process again generates a large amount of debris on the surface of the lawn. Once complete, all plugs are raked up and removed from the lawn to ensure that any disease that they may contain are not spread. At this point in the process, the lawn has been completely taken back to basics, all of the debris removed and the soil prepared for new growth. Some grass will remain, however, it is not enough to simply leave the grass that is there to regrow. New grass seed needs to be introduced to ensure a thick, lush green lawn grows in the old lawn's place. The new grass seed is applied across the surface of the lawn in an even, uniform motion using a spreader machine. This is followed by a course of topsoil, which is emptied onto the lawn and distributed evenly through further raking. A thorough watering marks the final input from the customer. The initial process is now complete, and it is time to allow nature to take its course. Over the next few weeks, the grass seed will begin to germinate and gradually take root within the soil. The speed at which this process occurs will be directly related to the weather experienced during this period. This video was filmed over a period of several weeks and shows the progress of this particular lawn's treatment. The recommended time to undergo the lawn renovation programme is during the autumn or spring months when your lawn is actively growing. However, your local lawn care expert will be happy to provide you with a lawn consultation and recommend tailor-made treatments to improve your lawn's condition. Here are the before and after results.